Hello everyone, quick update on the keyboard, the macropad that we're building. Let me show you what it's looking like. Alright, so last time I was in the process of soldering actually the back of this guy here. So this is done now. The black wires are ground and they're just chained across all of the switches here, and then there is one wire that's going back to the ground of the microcontroller, and then we have one blue wire per switch on the other end of each switch, and that goes on one wire to one pin of the microcontroller. The microcontroller is an ItsyBitsy RP2040 from Adafruit, which is one of those new microcontrollers that are based on the Raspberry Pi Foundation's new RP2040 chip, which is very nice and which is the chip that we want to use on the final board. So this is a good board to experiment because it's the same chip that we're going to use eventually. Even though we are not going to use the whole microcontroller, we're going to try to integrate the chip directly with some memory, a LED driver, and so on. Yeah, so this is all wired up for the prototype. Those are just, sample switches. But I also wrote a little bit of Python so that when I hit one of the keys, it turns on this LED here. So this is just some very, very simple basic Python code. So that's it for now. Next time, I'm going to try to wire up this display here, and I'm going to try to get the individual keystrokes here reflected on the screen. We also want to have a screen eventually on the macropad that we're going to use to have a menu system and maybe display the function of some of the top row of the macropad. We'll see what we do exactly, but we have some ideas here. Yeah, so that was a quick update on the construction of the macropad, and that is pretty much it for today. Bye.